Delta 2827, 2500 for 4000.
Delta 2027 Daytona departure radar contact, climb maintain about 1000.
Climb to 1000, Delta 2827. Could you do us a favor and tell Daytona Beach Tower that we hit a large bird on takeoff roll and it may still be there?
2027, or tell them now, thank you.
37, apparently there's a bird strike on runway 7 left. They've got to do a runway sweep. Expect the row 7 arrival. Fly heading a 120.
937, 120, roger on that information, and then we'll expect the rows 7 arrival. And Daytona approach secure air 332 is 4.5, descending 4,000, 250 heading.
Secure 332 Daytona approach, roger. Expect a brief delay. Had a bird strike on the runway. They've got to do a runway sweep. I'll let you know when I can bring in.
Delta 580, me just a couple minutes away. There's the emergency aircraft landing your runway. Call you back accordingly.
Understood, thank you.
Tower Delta 2827, 27 right.
Delta 2827, line of tower. The wind is 2105, runway 27 right. Clear to land.
Clear to land 27 right, Delta 2827.
Fire Chief, the aircraft, emergency aircraft, 3 mile final, next to land.
Aircraft on 3 mile final, next to land.
Tower Ops 1.
Ops 1, Atlanta on the tower.
Tower Ops 1 is holding short of runway 27 right for a runway inspection. One's Delta 2827 lands.
Ops 1, roger. And Ops 1, just to verify, that is down you at the approach and at Lima Alpha there.
Affirmative.
Alright, Ops 1, at your discretion from Lima Alpha, you can proceed on runway 27 right.
Alright, from Lima Alpha, proceeding on runway 27 right, Ops 1.
Tower Delta 2827, we can exit wherever you want us.
Delta 27, any right turn is fine. You can make a left turn on Mike. And contact ground point 75. Do you need any further assistance?
No, right and left turn on Mike and ground, and we just need somebody to, just an inspection, make sure we don't have a blown tire or anything messing with their right engine.
Alright, understood there, Delta 2027. Okay, yep, so yeah, just score it up on Mike there, and I'll get one of the fire vehicles to go take a look at you. Any of the fire vehicles, Fire Chief, did you copy the aircraft request?
Fire Chief copied the aircraft request. This is going to be ARC 3 and 4. ARC 3 and 4.
Okay, roger. I'm going to give you guys another frequency here in just a moment to talk on so we can coordinate that all together. And Delta 2027, I'm going to have you change over 121.65. I'll have the vehicles on there as well so y'all can communicate there without everybody else. So 121.65 and they'll be with you shortly.
And Tower Ops 1 is off runway 27 right at Mike 6.
Ops 1, roger, and we can show normal operations there for the runway.
Affirmative, runway is good to go for you from Ops 1.
Awesome, thank you. And if you didn't copy that as well, the aircraft, if you need to talk to them as well in the fire vehicle, is going to be at 121.65 now, 121.65 for communication.
Alright, going to 2165 for Ops 1.
And Delta 58, appreciate your patience there. I have this flaw for you, runway 27 right now, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 27 right, RNF flaw, Delta 580.
Fire truck Delta 2827.
Aircraft, go ahead. 2827, go ahead, Officer.
Do we show anything on the right side? That's the side that the bird went on.
This is ARC 3. No, it doesn't appear that you have anything going on this side of your aircraft.
Roger, 2827.
R4 to 2827. Please the 360 of the aircraft. See nothing out of the ordinary. Look fine. Continue on to the gate.
Affirmative, Delta 2827, thanks.
Atlanta Tower, Fire Chief.
Fire Chief, Atlanta.
We're securing all of the equipment. We have ARC 3 and 4 following the aircraft to the gate.
We are Fire Chief, thank you, appreciate that.